Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And hi, my name is Muhammad Izzuddin Aiman bin Rosli. I'm from Group 80110-1D. Today, I would like to present Pest and Disease Management. Introduction to my crop. The type of plant I grow is spinach. Spinach is a leafy green flowering plant native to Central and Western Asia. It is an annual plant growing as tall as 30 centimeters. Spinach may overwinter in temperature regions. The leaves alternate simple, ovate to triangular, and very variable in size, 2 until 30 centimeters long and 1 until 15 centimeters broad, with larger leaves at the base of the plant and smaller leaves higher on the flowering stem. Introduction to Pest and Disease Management. What is pest and disease management? Pest is an organization that damages the plant and spreads disease, causes destruction, or otherwise a nuisance. For some example of pest is mosquitoes, rodents, and weeds. Not all insects are pests. Many different kinds of insects eat other insects and are beneficial species. Pest and disease management consists of a range of activities that support each other. Most management practices are long-term activities that aim at preventing pests and disease from affecting a crop. Management focus on keeping existing pest population and disease low. How does it work? Four common methods are used to control pests and disease. They are biological, cultural, chemical, and integrated control. Biological control is the use of useful and beneficial living organisms, such as predators or parasites. To control pests, predator insects feed on the pests and can control their numbers. Process involved in pest and disease management. For chemical control, chemical pesticides are often used to control disease, pests, or weeds. Chemical control is based on substances that are toxic. For biological control, 1. Macrobials. These natural predators were released in small numbers, but once they become established, they will be effective in the long term. Other than microbials, it can be used to improve plant health and control pests and disease. Bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms can have this effect because they compete for nutrients or space. They produce antibiotics or they simply eat other harmful microorganisms. Of course, there are some effects. The advantages for chemical control is it will widespread due to their relatively low cost, that is, which they can be applied, and their effectiveness, availability, and stability. Chemical pesticides are generally fast-acting, which limits the damage done to crops. The disadvantages is pesticides are often effective for only one short period to a particular organism. Organism can become immune to a substance, so they no longer have effect. This organism mutate and become resistant. For biological control, the advantages is 1. The natural enemy can become established and this will produce long-term results. The risk of resistance of being eaten. Lastly, natural pest control is very targeted. There is the disadvantages for biological control is the natural enemy may move away. Lastly, the conclusion. Using cultural method to control pests and disease is the best method in my opinion because there's some rumors that birds falling dead from sky after eating spread insects at the plant. So, of course, we will not feeling well after eating the spread plant. Cultural method, not using any chemical product to control pests. Plant that use cultural method is safe to eat and use. That's all from me. Thank you.